It's okay. Don't touch it. Oh, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
That is so cute. I don't want to come out. This one want to come
What is
out.
this one?
Oh, this is a customer's dog.
Oh, okay. You guys.
Board.
Okay.
You the guys do what?
We board. Like if our customers are traveling, they can bring their dogs to us.
Okay, this is a boarding house for dogs. There is nothing somebody will not hear.
Mommy,
So the parrot now, 2.5 million naira last. Now wow. What the parrot will be? What is the use of the parrot now aside from talking?
Companionship.
Companionship for what?
And they live for how many years?
15 years. If this parrot die, will you refund back the money? Because if this parrot of 2.5 die, they will bring it here for you now. Do you give it any medical? Chidera, who's standing there?
Out of his place.
Chison, don't touch it. Light and star. Really?
Fish.
Eh?
Fish.
Parrot of 2.5 million. Parrot 2. Eh? Eh? Chisoma and Chidera. You have seen dogs. Light and star.
Look at fish. Fish. Look at another parrot. Wow.
Madam.
Wow. Guys, what up for them? Hi, kitty. Hi.
Light and star. Do you like the parrot?
Yeah.
You like the parrot,
Look
right?
at fish.
Chisoma and Chidera.
Why do you put those ones outside?
So that people can see it and buy
So
now.
they can have fresh air.
Okay, so we have to keep it outside to have fresh
They
air.
used to be inside, but they used to make a lot of noise and they were not comfortable.
Okay.
Them outside.
So how do you know they are not comfortable?
They're always shouting. At least not that they're outside.
Parrot of
It's
2.5.
Yeah.
Parrot of 2.5. What type of cage are we going to use and put it?
What's discussing it now is this custom duty and all this importation.
But it was not that expensive before, right?
No, ma.
Oh, this one, I think I saw it 1.6.
How much were you guys selling the parrots before?
I'm not really sure of the old price because I just started working here.
So this your cage is how much? The cage for the
I'll
parrot.
have to confirm from my boss.
Is it for sale?
You can buy it with the parrot.
Is it the two that is 2.5 or one parrot? Jesus. God have mercy. Oh. Light and star, Chisoma and Chidera. Ah, these children. Hey,
These two look very mischievous.
they are not too. You know they are all twins.
Oh wow.
All of them are twins. How much is this with multivitamins?
Let me just confirm.
This is multivitamin for parrots.
Who is the one that is in?
I mean the full one, the full one. Okay, this one down is not their food.
No, this
Parrot of 2.5 will be eating this, and this one takes them for how long?
a week plus.
A week plus, and this is 10,000, 10,500, no discount. I have to go and work hard. Come and show me the parrot. How much this cage is? But the cage, do you have any cage for it?
The cage has to be as big as this.
Yes, so that they can be free.
Also, you can put chains to their legs so they can walk around but not.
Okay, in the compound.
Yes.
Wow, parrot of 2.5.
If you don't put chains, they'll fly away.
Ah, they'll fly away.
Fly away, okay. Parrot of 2.5 will fly away.
Yes.
I will come here and carry the chain and put on your neck. Light and star. Have you seen these parrots? These parrots, we have to go and work hard. Eh? Which one is talking?
It's one of the dogs.
Okay. Madam, is this a man or a woman parrot?
This is the woman, that's the man.
Oh, and they cannot be together.
This one is to beat her.
Ah?
The kid, this thing is like a demarcation. It's removing.
Okay, so this one used to beat this one.
Before. This one is to bully this one. So
How do you know?
he will, even as they are separate, sometimes he will come here and be shouting at her. And if this one is close, he'll start biting her.
Jesus.
Parrot what?
Yes.
Are you sure they're not human beings?
My turn.
So how are you? What's your name?
What's your name? What's your name?
So like this now is 5 million. But with the K,
Can you talk? Can you talk?
they will give you the cage as discount. Abby,
We can walk around it.
we can walk around it. Not be small thing, no. Nigerians they try. Oh, Nigerians will get money.
Yeah.
Parrot 2.5.
Hi, Papa.
If I use that money and buy goods, I know how much I will turn it over in 6 months. Let's go. No problem.
Thank you for stopping by.
Thank you.
Bye.
Let's go and work hard.